In section 1.1, you learned about coterminal angles. An angle that's coterminal with another angle is an angle that ends on the same terminal side. So we would say that 0, 360, 720, negative 360, negative 720, they're all coterminal. So using this visual, if we mark where 0 would be, one full spin would get us ending at 360 again, and that's what makes them coterminal. And then if I spin around again, we get to 720. If I back it up and I go around this way, I would get to negative 360 because negative angles go down from 3 o'clock on a clock. And negative 720 would be another 360 away from the previous angle. And these can go infinitely in both directions, but here's a set of 5 coterminal angles. So if I look at here, let's say here is 30 degrees. And if we wanted to find what's coterminal to that, we would just keep adding 360 degrees or subtracting 360 degrees to get additional coterminal angles. So if I add 360, I add a full spin, that gets me to 390. And again, it would end in the same spot. And then I add another 360 again, and that would end at 750 degrees. And then I add another full spin, and that's going to end up at 1,110 degrees. And if I spin those back around a couple times, I could even go in a negative direction as well. Still ending in the same spot, still ending here. Negative 330, spinning it around again. Negative 690, spinning it around again. Negative 1050. And so all of these angles written in black would be coterminal to each other and coterminal to 30 degrees because they're 360 degrees, one full spin away from the nearest coterminal angle. And so then you're going to look at your lesson, and if it asks you to get a positive coterminal angle, it's likely that you'll keep adding 360. And then you might have to subtract 360 if you wanted to get a negative coterminal angle. So these would be positive coterminals. Notice we added 360. These would be negative coterminals, and it all has to do with a multiple of 360. Good luck on this topic.